Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego butterfly knife. This is what it looks like. Check out the other video on how to do that. So, the pieces you'll need are, the piece you'll need is a 13 pinhole piece that looks like this, circular like that, and you'll need 2 of them. And then you'll need a 9 pinhole piece that looks like this, circular, and you'll only need 1, and you'll only need 1 of these, and then you'll need 1 3 pinhole piece, circular, just like that, and you'll need 2 loose pins that look like this, and 1 friction pin that looks like this. Okay, so let's get started. So first step, what to do is grab this piece, put the friction piece in like that, and put the loose pins beside the friction pin like this. And then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna put the blade part, the 9 pinhole piece part like this on it, and then put the handles like the 13 piece ones onto the things like this, and then that's how it's done. But I'm going to show you some extra pieces that you don't need, or it's just for the comfortability of your own choice, but this is just my comfortability of having, it's like these pieces, like these ones, you know. So those pieces are just extras, so just put them on like just put them on the knife, and then you put, but it's just your choice, but whatever is comfortable to you is comfortable to you. It's your choice. Okay, so when you put them on, this is what it would kind of look like, but this part doesn't really matter. But if you have actual 13 pinhole pieces, then you don't have to have this part. It's just because I didn't have 2 actual 13 pinhole pieces. As you can see, I had to put other pieces together and put that piece on it. So, and then put it on it. It's just more comfortable for me. So, check out my newest video on how to flip the knife in and out and in. So if you want to see what it looks like, it just looks like this. And bam. So that's what it looks like. But I'll teach you. But you'll have to see in my newest video. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you guys have a great night, great day, and I'll see you in the next video.